Buongiorno, mi chiamo Anas, sono Olsen the Danes. Questo giorno io preparo una bistecca alla fiorentina. Hi, I'm Olsen the Dane. Well, my Italian is not so great, so let's continue in English. Today we are going to make this epic Florentine steak, bistecca alla fiorentina. This is a 3-pound steak. It's very easy and very simple to make, so it fits just perfect in the easy peasy concept. I'm going to guide you through it step by step on how to make it. Hopefully you will enjoy it. I know I will. To begin with, we need to prepare the meat and cut some of the fat on the side of it. And then we need to sprinkle it with a dash of olive oil. Just rub it all over the steak. And then we need to add some salt. Here I'm using sea salt. And you have to massage that into the steak. Make sure it will massage. When you've done that, it's time to flip it over and do the same thing on the other side. A bit of oil. Make sure it well covered. Some sea salt and rub it in. And now it's time to put in the grill. So when we put the meat on the grill, we have to let it cook 2.5 minutes. Then turn it 45 degrees. Then 2.5 minutes more. Then we need to flip it 2.5 minutes. Turn it 2.5 minutes, and then we need to put it up on the bone. And now after 2 minutes, we need to turn it 45 degrees. And give it another 2 minutes. So, after approximately 5 minutes, it's time to turn it over. After a couple of minutes, we need to turn it 45 degrees again. Like that. And give it 2.5 minutes more. And while we're waiting for the bistecca to sear on the open wood fire barbecue, I can tell you about the rolling hills that I'm looking into. It's just amazing here in Tuscany. So I'll just put in some clips of what my view is from the other side. Hope you'll enjoy it. On the bone of the meat and let it roast for approximately 10 minutes. So the reason why we are roasting it on the bone is so that the bone gets hot and it goes through the meat, so it will cook the meat from the inside. And after 10 minutes, it's time to take off the bistecca. And now we have to let it rest for another 10 minutes. And here it is, a classic bistecca alla fiorentina, or an Italian t-bone steak. Enjoy.
Hi.
Let's say hello to the other half of Olsen the Dane, my lovely wife, Maria. So let's have a taste.
Wow.
That looks delicious.
It looks yummy. Me first?
Are you ready?
Yeah.
Wow.
That's so good.
Woohoo!
Oh.
Bada bing, bada boom.
Yep.
Are you ready?
No. Yes.
So love.
Hi.
Hello.
Det er kun mig, der skal sige hej. Du har jo ligesom været med hele vejen igen. Skal vi lige... Skal vi føle?